how to boot from the USB drive if I want to install new Windows. So how to boot from the USB? As you can see, I am in the BIOS. So how to, first of all I will show you how to go to the BIOS and menu, and then after that I will show you how to change boot menu and boot system to boot from the USB drive. So first of all I will turn it off, and I will turn on again, and I will keep pressing F2 and Fn button together. Just keep pressing both buttons and keep connected your flash drive. So after that, you can see here we are in the main menu of the BIOS. Now if you can see on the right side corner here, you will see boot priorities. Okay, boot priority, you can see, you can simply drag it into the top of this our boot manager. So now our flash drive is will boot from the flash drive over laptop. So just after that, simply you can press F10 and it will ask you for the saving. Just simply click OK and it will start booting from the USB drive. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Dr. Mobo YouTube channel.